Yeah, I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah.
Okay, can you guys see my screen?
Yes, yes.
So see, now we are going to study this document splitting. Okay,
Okay.
so just a minute. It is a very important. It is very vital. See, uh, document splitting. Like in new GL accounting, we have this one. We have five features, right? Six features we have. So document splitting is
Mm.
one of the features of the new GL accounting only. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's see in its its definition. Actually, it is written like document splitting means document will be splitted, and in SAP document means
Okay.
journal entry. Whenever a document is posted, that will be splitted. On which basis? On the basis of business area. BA I have
Profit
written
center,
business area. Huh?
profit center.
Business area, profit center, and segment. On three basis,
Yes.
document will be whichever the document is being posted, whether it is GL document, payment document, or invoice document, billing document, whatever the document that will be splitted on the basis of business area, profit center, and segment. So see, and document splitting feature was not there in classical GL accounting. In it has come in the new GL accounting only. Okay, so with the help of this, what happens? Document gets splitted on three bases. Okay, and why actually document splitting is required actually? So because for internal reporting purpose, we need to have the we need to have the details profit center wise to do the internal reporting, right? For same for business area, we need to do for the internal reporting. But for company code wise, if we want data, that is for external reporting. Okay, but
Huh.
here we need on the basis of profit center, business area, and segment reports to do our internal reporting. Okay, to increase so that business can increase its profit, get maximize its profit, and reduce the cost, making cost, and that can be controlled. So that actually helps. We can get the business can get the report on the basis of document splitting when it is
Document
splitted.
split.
Okay, now you see this is the standard report. See, when the document will be splitted, then we should have some reports, right? So that we can see the we can see the details. Like means on the basis of profit center, business area, and segment, we need to have the report, right? When it is splitted. So see, this is the
Mm.
standard report. Means this is the standard report S underscore PLO PL0 standard report, and here we can check our balances like profit center wise. See, you can see left side profit center wise, we can see the balances, we can see the balances segment wise, and similarly we can see the balances business area wise in this report. Let me
Hmm.
take you to the SAP.
That is T code.
Sorry,
That S underscore PLD is T code.
is T code. Yes, report T code. See the currency type, company code, and if I am giving this, I want to see on the basis of uh, profit center. Suppose I want to see report in 1,000 profit center. Okay, now here from which period to which period, from first to suppose from first to 12th, or from first to 6th, 7th, whatever we need. And this is our ledger. In ledger wise also we will get, suppose in 0L ledger we want, because we have three ledgers, right? So if we want in
Right.
Yeah.
IFRS, we want in US GAAP, we want in 0L leading ledger. So whichever the requirement, we will select these options for 12 and for 6 months. And here we will give this profit center and simply we will execute. This is the company code. See, in our company code LI01, still we have not done any posting, right? That is why I'm not,
Hmm.
I'm taking another company code because we have not done any posting. Testing not yet started. So I am taking another company code which is having the transactional balances where the posting have been done. So just simply execute. Now see, in 1,000 profit center, In 1000 profit center, double click on the profit center. This is the balance, debit balance. This is the credit balance. Okay, and see the name of that profit center is Gulshan Sector 4 PC Profit Center. I can show you this profit center also. KE53. See, profit center is written, right? Profit center sector 04, and this PC means profit center. And the T code, don't write down. Let me just open this profit center so that you guys will not be confused. KE KE53 GCOA. Profit center is 1000. See, name of the profit center is Gulshan Sector 4 PC, correct? And profit center, this profit center is created with 1000. Okay, same we are referring, same I'm showing here to you guys. Okay,
Okay.
so here we can see the reports based on the profit center. So means document splitting, what document splitting did? Document splitting helped in splitting the document. Ultimately, eventually, what is the requirement? Means, business wants to have the reports profit center wise. That is why this document splitting is required. Okay, okay, understanding?
Yeah.
Okay, now see, this is what I have explained, like how to execute this report. You guys can you can refer this. I will share these notes. So now see, document splitting, document splitting.
You know that T code is
Hmm,
underscore PLD
PL0, yes.
uh,
Yeah, this I will
eight
share.
six.
I will share.
Okay.
I will share this file. I will share with you guys. I think please don't write. I will share this file with you guys. Okay. Even definition no need to write. I will share. Okay. So now see, document splitting is document splitting is done or it is activated at client level. And if you want to deactivate for a particular company code, so that is deactivated. The document splitting can be deactivated at company code level. So it is technical from SAP side, means document splitting should be activated at client level. If you want to do the deactivation, then that we can do at a company code level. For a particular company code, we can deactivate this document splitting functionality. If you don't want to, if you don't want any this document splitting feature to work for a particular company code, then we can deactivate for a particular company code. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now see in general I told you guys like what is the meaning of document splitting. Then you can simply say in the interview, and it is from interview point of view, it is 99% this question is asked. They ask what do you mean by document splitting. So see, simply who attends the interview, they simply answers what they everybody answers. It copies debit line item to credit line item. Everybody answers the same this answer only. It copies profit center business area segment from debit line item to credit line item. It is very average answer. So means we need to answer in a different way and in a very detailed way. Okay, so that so that our answer will be different and we will get some extra weightage on the basis of our answer. So first of all, we need to answer, like if they will ask what do you mean by document splitting. First of all, first you say it is very vital or important features or one of the features of new GL accounting. Okay, now secondly you guys can say, like in its name it is written document will be splitted. So you guys can say document will be splitted on the basis of business area, profit center and segment. And why this splitting is required? Because we need to have reports to for the internal reporting. Okay, so
Okay.
that is why this splitting is required, because ultimately eventually we need, business wants to get the report. And this report, you guys, I'm just explaining, need not to need not to say this report in the interview. Just this this definition you can say.
Definition.
Yes. Now you can say like the document splitting is activated at client level and it can be deactivated at company code level. Okay. Now
Okay.
see, there will be some method. Splitting method is there. How splitting will happen? First of all, document splitting is configurational part. So IT consultant is going to do the configuration. Okay. So there is
Okay.
SAP has given document splitting is having splitting method. Okay, so now,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, SAP has given this. You can see the screen. I have taken this screenshot. See, there is a splitting method. So whenever a consultant will do the configuration, he needs to tick this checkbox, document splitting, tick, and this method should be there. The method is, this is standard given by SAP, 8 times 0 and 12. So this method should be there. So consultant will make sure to select this, to take this method, and check this document splitting. Okay. Now
Okay.
inheritance, it should also be checked. So mainly in interview, if they will ask, what is the document splitting method you used? You can simply say, we configured this one, document splitting method 8 times 0 and 12. So this method is used for the document splitting. And this checkbox
Is
is also,
this standard code?
yeah, this is a standard method. 8 times 0 and 12 is standard.
Okay.
Yes. So we need to say, we means document splitting method is 8 times 0 and 12, which is a standard given by SAP, and there this checkbox should be ticked. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And now inheritance also should be ticked. So let me, just a minute, let me explain you guys. But only document splitting method is asked. So you guys are getting general idea about document splitting.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So you need to be, you need to answer in a, very, in different way, in a very good way. Okay, last transaction, document splitting. So if you want to see the definition of this, F1 or function key plus F1. So I will get the details of this, of a particular, I can get the details. Function key plus F1, if I will put, I will click, then I can get the details of this. That field I will get the details. See, you use this indicator to activate account assignment inheritance in document splitting. Okay. See, if we are using this inheritance checkbox, it is helping to active the account assignment inheritance in document splitting, to active account assignment in document splitting. Okay, and what is its use? With document splitting inheritance, document splitting characteristics of GL accounting are forwarded to line items that do not have assignments. For this, document splitting characteristics must be unique for a unique within a document. See, now what is actually they are telling? See, with the help of this inheritance, so if suppose we have whenever a document is posted, let's say this example, see this example. So inheritance, when we are checking this inheritance checkbox, so in the debit line item you can see profit center, and profit center is given, and in the profit center actually segment is there. Means in debit line item these profit center and segment are given, but in the credit line item it is not given, right? So with the
Yeah.
help of document splitting, it will be automatically copied. No need to copy it. It will be automatically copied with the help of document splitting. This is what the meaning of
In
inheritance.
the,
Inheritance, yes. Same thing it is telling, right? See, same thing it is telling. With the account assignment inheritance, document splitting characteristics for GL accounting are forwarded to lines that do not have assignments. Same thing it is
okay.
telling, right? So means it will carry to the to the different line items which is not having the assignment of this profit center or segment. So with the help of inheritance we can get this functionality. Means in entry view, let me open this one document, then maybe you guys will understand in better way. FB03 is to see the our document document list. This one. See, this is entry view. Entry view means what the business user has, these all the parameters business user has given. while doing the posting. Okay,
Hmm.
so means he has entered these details in the system, means it is entry view, means while giving all these details he has given only in the debit line item, profit center and segment. Okay, he
Correct.
did not give in credit line item and segment. But due to new GL accounting concept, we have this general ledger view.
Hmm.
Because this new GL accounting is configured, all features are configured. Then when we'll click on the general ledger view, then you can see it is copied from debit line. 9000 is 9000 profit center has been copied from debit line item to credit line item. Similarly, segment is also copied. So it is happening with
Hmm.
the help of document splitting, inheritance checkbox.
Inheritance.
Okay,
There
correct?
are any chances for credit item different VC?
Yes, yes, yes. We can same vice versa. Same functionality. Let's see here. You can see the credit line item. It is copied to debit line item. In another in my example, you can see it is now in credit line item. This is given 9000 and this segment. Now it is copied to debit line
Hmm.
item. Same functionality. Same behavior will be it will be with debit, and same behavior it will be credit.
Okay.
Okay. So this is happening with the help of inheritance checkbox, which is being checked at a time of activate document splitting configuration. This is the inheritance checkbox. So these they will ask only these three things are important. Splitting, they will ask what which splitting method you use. You can simply say we use splitting method 8 times 0 and 12, and this is a standard given by SAP. That's all. And they will ask how from debit to credit it is being copied in document splitting. You can say with the help of inheritance checkbox at a time of active document splitting configuration, inheritance checkbox is helping to copy from debit to credit, or from credit to debit, profit center and segment. Okay,
Okay.
clear
Okay.
now, till now clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Everything is logical and straightforward, right? Now
Yes.
splitting method is there. Now see, we need to we need to assign this splitting method to our GL account, and we need to assign this splitting method to document type. Okay, now how it will be assigned? See my this example. uh, Actually this is a part of configuration. I will do this configuration in the system, but first, starting the configuration, I want you guys to please have understanding. Okay, so splitting method should be assigned to two things: to our document type and to our GL accounts. Okay, see in this example, this GL account, this method should be assigned to both GL accounts. Then only it will work, right? This document splitting feature will work. So we need to assign the
Yeah.
Yes.
splitting method to GL account and document type. So see how it can be assigned to GL account. First, let's see this. So it is also a part of configuration. Classified GL accounts for document splitting. Okay, this is a part of configuration. So we have like we created chart of account, and in the chart of account
Hmm.
we have classification for one series. We have created one series for liability, two series for asset, three series for expense, three series for income, four series for expense, correct? So we need to
Yes.
SAP has given various category, document splitting category. So we can assign to corresponding and respective item, document splitting category, to according to their nature of the GL account. So let's suppose if GL account is balance sheet, so we need to assign this balance sheet related liability, balance sheet related 1000 item category is given for document splitting. So we need to assign to this range 1000. Okay, balance sheet liability account, we need to assign 1000 item category, document splitting item category is 1000. If it is for asset, so we need to assign 7000 item 7000 item category. Okay, so this one is
Okay.
actually wrong. This one, it should not be like as how asset has come to. Asset should not come in here, because asset is two series, right? We have defined asset with two series, so it is wrong. So see, now this one 15,000 in our case also it is for vendor, because it is also vendor is also liability, part of liability. So when for vendor it is
Hmm.
item category is 3000. Okay, so these all item category no need to memorize. Just you guys can memorize 3 and 4, like 1000 for liability balance sheet, for vendor 3000 item category, document splitting item category, for customer through 2000, okay, for revenue 30,000, for expense 20,000. So these all are the item category. We need to just we need to remember only 4 and 5 item category. So these all item categories need to be assigned with our range, GL
Gee,
account range. Then only at a time of posting, document splitting will work.
Okay.
Okay. So this is
Okay.
first assigned item. See, splitting method needs to be assigned to GL account. How it will be assigned? With the help of item category. With the help of item category, splitting method will be assigned to GL accounts. Okay.
okay.
Okay. Now see
So
next
item
one.
category, basically it is related to all the liabilities and expenses, huh?
No, item category. No, item category is for document splitting. Item category we are assigning for all category, right? All, see, item category we are
Okay.
assigning for liability also. Item category we have assigned for asset also. See, for asset also we have assigned. Item category we have
Mm.
assigned for material also. Item category for we have assigned different these all are the document splitting related item category. So we are
Okay.
assigning for revenue also, we are assigning for expenses also. So actually
Mm.
the reason behind it, we need actually with the indirectly we are assigning splitting method.
Mm.
Is a splitting method we are assigning with the help of item category to all the GLs. We are assigning to our range, okay, GL range, okay, and these
Okay.
all are the item category. These all item category document splitting related item category have been given by SAP standard. SAP has given a standard item category, so we need not to
Okay.
define any custom. With these all, in real time business also, these all standard item category are enough to use. Okay. So we
Mm-hmm.
will
Okay.
assign this, and respective, it will be, it will document will be splitted when posting will be done. Like if vendor related posting will be done, then it will be splitted. When asset related posting will be done, it will be splitted with the help of this item category. And with the help of this item category, this account document splitting method is also connected, right? Now,
Mm-hmm.
see, document splitting method is assigned with document type. So see, right now we are studying this one. We are studying which topic? We are studying GL, right?
Yes.
We are studying GL. So for GL, essay is the document. For GL document, essay is the document type. We know, correct? We define the number
Mm.
ranges. You remember the document type essay, and for the GL reversal, AB is the document type. So for that,
Yeah.
SAP has given, these all are the SAP technical things. Like SAP has given transaction variant transaction 4 times 0, variant 3 times 0 and 1. Transaction meaning of transaction is unspecified posting, and variant means this standard. You can simply say to assign this splitting method to document type, we need to assign variant to the document type. Simply you guys can say, and which is standard. Just simply say we need to assign transaction and variant to the document type. Let's say for asset document type, transaction is 4 times 0 and variant is 3 times 0 and 1, which is standard. And for the C, for vendor invoice, for vendor invoice, transaction is 0, 300, and variant is 3 times 0 and 1, correct? For vendor payment, C, transaction is 1000. So with the help of these all transaction and variant, what we are doing, actually we are connecting a splitting method to document type. Okay. With the help of these transaction and variant, we are assigning, what we are assigning indirectly, we are assigning document splitting method to our
Document.
document type, correct? So in interview, you guys can simply say, we need to assign this transaction and variant, which is given standard given by SAP, to our document type. Let's say for GL document type is SA, we will assign this transaction 4 times 0 and variant triple zero and 1. Okay. They will ask, what about vendor? So you can say for vendor invoice it is 0300, but they will not ask this much detail. But I am explaining you guys, like you can simply say with the help of, we need to assign transaction and variant document type. That's enough. They will not deep down, but you can remember also in detail if you want. Okay. So we have
Okay.
assigned document splitting method to GL account with the help of item category. We have assigned document splitting method to document type with the help of transaction and warrant. Okay,
Okay.
clear?
Yeah.
So I'm proceeding further. Okay, okay. So document splitting is clear, definition is clear, and then document splitting method, how document splitting is happening, how it is copied from how from debit line item
Debit line.
profit center and segment is getting copied from from debit line item to credit line item with the help of inheritance. Okay,